Would you take this off?
Just do it!
Let me know in the comments below. Look, I took it. Let's see what it is. We got one bag of flour at all. And guess what? We already here. I'm about to slide up in there right now. Doordash is changing. Are you going to adapt or are you going to stay in the pad? In and out of there, all these in literally 2 minutes. Some would say, I'm not taking that order. I take shopping orders now. On a food delivery order, a lot of times I'll say, if it's a no tip, I'm not taking that. But I think when it comes to shopping orders, as long as the base pay is acceptable, if there's no tip on there, I ain't saying you should or shouldn't take it. I just said we should think about it a little harder because I've seen some crazy shopping orders where the base pays have even been as high as, $18 to $20 and still with no tip. Comparing to this order right here, but things are changing. So kind of consider taking those orders that have those shopping on there and don't really make the tip a no break, a make or break situation if you're gonna take the order. Take it into consideration. Order number 1, dropping off this good old Aldi's bag. One item, man. This whole order from start to finish, 7 minutes. And with it being Tuesday, I need to go ahead and get these orders in, get myself going in the algorithm. Hold on, let's sit there like that. There we go. Order number 1. Got it done. We got 675 going 3.2 miles. Dang, look at that ambulance right there. Hope everything's all right. Right here at KFC, this order just came in. They sent me one right before it. $9. I got the camera all up to me. $9.75 for, what was that? 7 miles at Dollar General Shop and Deliver. I declined that one. I'm taking this one right here. Well, first food order of the day. Let's go ahead and get this thing dropped out. Front door service. Need that picture. Order number 3, we got $6.75 for 2.4 miles right here at McDonald's. And like I say in every video, it never fails. Either I start at McDonald's or within the first 3 or 4 orders, I find myself at McDonald's. Yesterday and the day before, first order of the day was McDonald's. Today, order number 3, McDonald's, $6.75 plus for 2.4 miles. Let's get it. Third order within the first hour. This is how I like to work. Now, as you can see with my other camera going, they got Taco Bell right here. You got McDonald's. You got a lot of places that's open first thing in the morning where you can get that money in. And I find myself in McDonald's like 9 times out of 10. We got 625 plus at the spot I've never been before. It's called Clean Eats. We already went up in there. They got all types of meal plans and protein shakes, and it was pretty awesome. But I'm gonna be checking back in with them. Let's get this order dropped off. Just dropped off that Clean Eats, 625 turned into 925. Very next order, Doordash just sent me 575, 4 miles at Taco Bell, and it's gonna stay right there. We is not taking that. I'm trying to make money. I've been getting all orders with plus signs on them. And at least diamond orders. That first shop and deliver, I feel like that set my day off to go in the right direction. But look, Doordash, I'm not doing no charity orders today. It's not happening. Now, the next order, we got $8.75 for 5.3. Now, that's something I can get, I feel a lot better about that one. Let's go ahead and take that. $8.75, 5.3 at Oriental Spoon. Boom, we heading there right now. That's 4 minutes down the road. I was already heading that way. $28 is what we're sitting at right now. Let's see. We at $28.50, and after this order, we will have made an additional $8. Let's get right to it. This is actually my first time going into Oriental Spoon. Hopefully they got it ready, but it looked like it's a clean little spot. We got $8.75 for, what was that, 5 miles? Let's get it. Excuse me. Well, looks like they got it ready. Okay. Or just one?
Just that one.
Thank you.
Yep.
Boom. Yes, sir. Can't be mad at that. Get to keep them wheels rolling. Got the food ready. Now we heading up. It's looking like it's about to rain, guys. I don't mind if it rains, but let me just get some peak paper with that. A little bit of chicken action. We just picked up from the chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. $6.25 for 2 miles on this one. Oh, No, $6.75 for 2 miles, this one said. Let's go ahead and get it done. Let's go ahead and drop off this chick. That right there should put us at like $40 on the day, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, we have $44 so far. Let's get it. Just put $19 in the gas tank. We got a half a tank of gas now. Let's see what this Uber water hit. Nope, it was just $9 for 17 miles. What the heck? So we just gonna head over and grab this Chipotle. Usually it don't take them this long to come to the window. They must be extra busy today. But they can't be because I ain't getting no add-on. Usually I get an add-on when I come to Chipotle. We sitting at $44 on the day. This order is $7.75. That'll put me at 52. Nah, that actually put me at 51. I need to make this $19 back that I just put in this gas tank. Time to drop off some Chipotle real quick. I think this is like order number 6 or 7. I can't even remember at this point. But I know that this is gonna be 50-something on the day. And that's all with Doordash. No Uber Eats, no Walmart Spark. The other apps just haven't been hitting for me. But it's all good though. Multi-app madness is the way to go. I want a bowl. Wait, which one is bigger? Yeah, I want the bowl. Yes, please. I need both. No, that's it. I got some water. Yeah, that sound good too. That sound good. Give me shredded. Nah, that sound good. All right, thank you. $5.50 for 2.9. I could have took that one, but I decided to go ahead and decline it. And I got this one right after that. $5.25 for 2.5. Declined that one too, because I was trying to get something a little bit better with a possibility for a stack, and we got it. $6.25, 3.1 miles. Now, considering the mileage and the money, it's pretty much the same as those other 2 orders, so I probably could have took those, but you don't get stacks coming out of Chick-fil-A. And I can get a stack coming out of this Steak and Shake, so I like this one better. Let's go ahead and drop off this Steak and Shake order. Can't believe it, dog. They got his 3 grilled cheese sandwiches, guys. This is crazy. Boom, right there. That dropped off. Front door service, you already know how we do. Boom, get that picture, and we out. Now, I know I'm at like 60-something bucks on the day. It's time to take a break, time to go ahead and recharge and rest up a little bit and hit it again for the day. Next up, we got $7.50 for 1.1 miles right here at Walgreens, and we heading up in here now. Only 2 items on this order too, guys, so we actually won. They got some Sprite and they got some crackers, so don't even need to get no shopping cart for this one. Easy shopping, in and out 2 minutes, man. That's easy money. 2 item Doordash, shop and deliver. $7.50, 1.1 miles. All day long, I'm taking that. And I advise you to do the same. Look, make that money. Don't let the money make you. Don't be scared to try something different, especially when it's about that cash flow. Now look, we just got that one done. We're gonna go ahead and see what Doordash decided to bless me with next. We got $8.25 for 3 miles at Applebee's, and we heading up there right now. They sent me this order immediately after dropping off that last Walgreens shop and deliver. Now, I got a little message saying I missed the delivery, but I think it was some type of error in the system because I didn't miss no delivery. And I'm not sure if there's something going on, but they need to go ahead and fix that. We pulling up to Applebee's now, so let's grab this order. Now this Applebee's is really, really good. Every time I come here, they usually always have them things ready. Let's go ahead and pull up in there, see what's going on. You know, these are my peoples up in here. Look at that, every time. They always have it ready. This is why I love coming here. Best place to pick up from. Thank you. They had that thing ready to go. They actually was bringing it right up as I was walking up, but either way, that works perfectly for me. Order number 2, we only, 10 minutes in, that shopping took me, you know, from start to finish, 7 minutes, even with driving up here. And now we got order number 2 in the car already. Man, DoorDash is changing. I know a lot of other folks was already saying this, but I wanted to really test it out for myself. Acceptance rate definitely does matter. Because if you've been following this channel, you've been seeing the kind of orders that I've been receiving as of these recent changes on the DoorDash platform. And I'm here to tell you, look, DoorDash is not the same as it used to be. You actually can go out there and make some decent money if you know what you're doing and if you maximize by working the best times and picking up the best orders. You can make that money. Look, Uber Eats got an order for me now. We got some stacking action in action. So I finally got a good Uber Eats order that I can stack with. I got this Chipotle order 1066, and Doordash has blessed me, sent me a nice little Taco Bell order. Probably the nicest Taco Bell order I've seen in at least 2.5 weeks. We got, and see, now they trying to send me an add-on. Uber Eats decided to mess up my video. That was a $6 order going 6 miles. Stop playing with me, I'm not taking that. What I will take is this Taco Bell order. It's $9.25 for 3 miles. Man, we pulling up the Taco Bell right now. Taco Bell, get us some of that taco smell. Throw it up in this hot bag.
Door service.
We 1 hour into this dinner shift. We got $25 on Doordash and $10.90 on Uber Eats. $35 for our first hour, guys. Let's go. Food delivery for the win. Man, Walmart Spark done fell off the map, man. I don't know what didn't happen. I was getting $40 bangers and $25 shopping delivers. I ain't got none of that this week, but you know what? It's all good. It's okay because this is how the gig economy is. It's ups, it's downs, but you gotta make sure that you can adapt to the situation and maximize. Cause look at her, ain't nobody responsible for you making money except for you. So, you know, it doesn't matter what the next DoorDash driver's making. It doesn't matter what the next Walmart Spark driver is making in their market. You gotta worry about you, and you gotta figure out what you got to do to make your money, regardless of the ups and downs that these apps may put us through. Next up on the tally, we just got a DoorDash order 625, 2.4 miles at KFC. And I love it because it's a drive-through pickup. We got KFC drive-through pickup. We got Chipotle, that's a drive-through pickup. You got Freddy's, that's another drive-through pickup. Who else let you pick up through the drive-through? Captain D's let you pick up through the drive-through. All of these places are places that can increase your delivery speed and allow you to become the fastest dasher in your area, because it ain't just about being the fastest dasher alive. No, if you FDA, that means you fastest dasher in your area. And if you faster than everybody else, you're gonna make the most money. Now, Walmart Spark also hit me with an order at the exact same time. It was an ASAP order, so I was quite surprised when I got it because normally the ASAP orders ain't that good. We got $26.60 for 5 miles, but it's a triple though, meaning we got 3 customers. One of them ordered alcohol, they real close, and the other 2 is like 4 miles away. But I'm cool with it because I can drop off this DoorDash order, get those over there, and now I'm making, what's that, 32 bucks in an hour? But it's not gonna take me a full hour to pick up. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna take me 30 minutes max to get these orders and get them dropped off. This is gonna be another $30 plus hour, but we gonna just count what we got right now. Yes, sir. Next order, we got $6.50 plus for 2.2 miles. Let's get it. We heading on over to La Fonda Mexican spot where they got that Mexican hot. Stop playing with me. Andale, andale. I'm about to get this money. And they just blessed me. They just sent me an add-on, an additional $5. You know, I wanted to say 6 something plus, but it didn't. It said an additional 5 for 1.5. I'm gonna take it. Let's get it. I need them stacks so I can run it up. So now we got $11.50 worth of orders picking up at the same spot. So that's great. You know, I got 2 separate drop-offs, but 1 singular pickup location, and that's what makes all the difference right there, because when you pick up from 2 separate merchants and drop off to 2 separate customers, it can take a little long. But on the flip side, if you're picking up from 2 separate merchants and dropping off to 1 singular customer, that's a good stack. Now, it still can be some profitable stacks out there, picking up from 2 separate merchants, dropping off to 2 separate customers. But what you got to realize is when you get that extra pickup, when you're doing 4 different pull-ups and drop-offs in 1 order, that can take a little bit of time. You know, especially if one of the merchants end up being slow, or one of the customers decide they want you to hand them the order. You know, that can eat into your delivery time. And when you're talking about prime time hours, like the dinner hours, 5 to like 8:30, you need to be moving as fast as you can and completing orders as quickly as you can, guys. You understand what I'm saying? So with that being said, whenever you can get a stacked order, that's either 2 pickups at the same spot or 2 orders going to the same customer, you can eliminate one of those 4 potential pull-ups and pull-offs, then you win it. So by us picking up these 2 orders at the same spot and the customers only being 1.5 miles away, that's a win-win scenario right there. That's actually the best case scenario. Now, the only way this could be any more sweeter was if I was picking up 2 separate orders at the same spot, going to the same location, but 2 separate customers, meaning it was like 2 people living or at the same location who happened to place 2 separate orders. That'd be the only thing that could make this any better. But right there, you got a winning combination if you can get any form of what I just said, either 2 pickups the same location or 2 customers ordering and picking up from the singular merchant. Let's get dropping off the first part of that Mexican order. $6.50 plus for 2 miles is what this one says. So this is the only one that got some hidden tip potential. Now the great thing is we don't have to guess if it's going up. We just have to guess by how much it's gonna be going up. Boom, get that picture and we out. Something else to keep the wheels rolling. You just getting all the deliveries, huh?
The Doordash.
Let me take a quick picture.
Come here.
I just want to take a picture, puppy. That's all. Wait, look at her. She couldn't wait to get out that parking spot. You damn right I blocked you in. Got ourselves some little Uber Eats action right here. I'm sitting at like $60 for this little shift right here. I think I got like 40 or 50. No, I got 40 on Doordash and 20 on Uber. We got that Jack in the Box dropped off. We sitting at $54.75 on Doordash and another 20-something on Uber. $75. We are 2.5 hours in on this little shift and we doing good. I made $60 earlier, so that's like what, $130 for the day. I actually canceled that Walmart Spark order because they was tweaking. They was taking too long, and I'm making good money on food delivery, so I ain't got no time to wait. Now I'm about to head back up to the plaza, see if I can get a couple more orders before it get dark. Like my next 2 orders, we got a $5.25 order at Penn Station. I already picked that one up. And then Uber Eats sent me an order that was perfect for stacking. We had $7, and I believe it said 24 cents for 2-point-something miles. Penn Station and 54th Street are right by each other. So I went on and grabbed it because now I got 2 orders paying me $12, actually more like $13, and it's still taking me the same 2-mile distance, not any additional mileage. So that's how you stack them orders when you get a little low ball, slow offer. You know, it's all good. You make the money still because you got to know how to do it. Dropping off this Penn Station order. Let's see, we looking for number 9. Where might number 9 be? I see 7 and 8. So hopefully this is 9 right here. Yep, yes it is. Gonna sit that there. Just got ourselves a Qdoba order, $10 and something for 5 miles. I'm taking it. We here now. See if they got this thing ready. They got something ready. I see a name, but it don't look like mine. Yes, sir. We are approaching our delivery destination right now. I'm already sitting at $80 on the night. Got $60 right here on Doordash, another 20 on Uber. No, I'm mistaken. I had another $10 order. We sitting at $90. I got 30 on Uber Eats. That's what's up. Now this one right here finna make it $100. Let's get it. I'm at $100. I ain't even realized. Man, Uber Eats been sending some disrespectful orders out tonight. They just sent me another $2 order going 4 miles. It's not happening at Uber Eats. Look, I'm trying to make some money. This Qdoba order paying $10 some change for 5 miles. 2-to-1 miles to minute ratio. 54th Street. This one came in at, what was it? $5 for 1 mile. And I can't even see the address. Hopefully this is the right one. Yep. All right. They got the porch light on and everything. You still can't see the address. Well, that's just how it is sometimes. Get our picture, boom, and we out. Alrighty, so we got that one dropped off, and Uber Eats hit me with another order. Thing is, they had it ready to go when I got there. $5, 1 mile, Wingstop drop off. It's getting dark, man. I don't like using the flashlight when I'm out here delivering. So you know I'm about to be hanging it up soon. But I figure since I'm already over $100 for the day, boom, get that picture. Why not run it up and get as many extra orders as I can? I did put 20 more bucks into the gas tank. So got more petrol for the metro for tomorrow. Yes, sir. Looks like that's going to be my last delivery of the night. And you know what? We did surprisingly good on this dinner shift. $81 on Doordash and another 40-something once these tips come in on Uber. $120 for this dinner shift. That's $200 a day. I'm FBA. Stop playing with me. Watch this next video. Don't skip no ads. I'll see you in the next one.